How do you actually get there? Especially when you've been debugging for 3 straight hours, just to find out it was a missing semicolon. It's not about forcing yourself, it's about hacking your brain. So let me do it for you. Step 1. Fuel your curiosity. Treat coding like a puzzle, not a punishment. Ask yourself, why do people binge Netflix? Why do they grind video games for hours? Dopamine. Your brain loves rewards, so trick it. Start tiny. Like, can I build a script that sends my friend 100 memes at 2 a.m.? Please don't, but you get the point. Make it fun. Pick something you actually care about. Building a portfolio site? Meh. But a site that autoplays your victory theme song when someone visits? Chef's kiss? Play with AP is? Break CSS? Animate chaos? Curiosity spreads like fire. Step 2. Build a coding ritual. Here's the secret. Obsession is just consistency in cosplay. Code at the same time every day, even just 20 minutes. Eventually, your brain will crave it like that first cup of chai. Try the Pomodoro method, 25 minutes of code, 5-minute break. Use toggle track forest app, heck, turn it into a GIF. Miss a day? No shame, just code double tomorrow. Or not, we're chill here. Code in public, not in a park, I mean post your progress, Twitter, GitHub, Discord, accountability works, and showing off your hello world is a rite of passage. Step 3. Learn like a hacker. Don't just binge tutorials. Break stuff. Open source is your playground. Clone a repository. Break it. Fix it. Break it again. Target your weak spots. Hate algorithms? Grind LeetCode? Suck at CSS? Build 10 hideous buttons, then glow them up. Use Anki. Seriously. Flashcards equals brain gains. I once sobbed over recursion. Now, we send memes to each other. Growth is weird. Get used to it. Step 4. Find your coding tribe. Ever heard of rubber duck debugging? Explain your code to a rubber duck. Or better, a real human. Join dev.to, #node, local meetups. Devs are like cats. We pretend we don't need anyone, but we do want someone to understand why our ternary operator exploded. Team up, teach, share. Nothing fuels obsession like suddenly realizing, wait, I actually know things. Step 5. Master lazy efficiency. Let's be honest, obsessed coders, not just hardcore, they're lazy geniuses, but lazy in the best way. Efficient, ruthless, smart. Why type 100 lines when a loop does it better? Why manually test when automation exists? Work smarter, code harder, script the boring stuff, Bash, Python, GitHub Actions. Let the robots grind for you. I automated deployments last month. Now I press one button and go eat chips while the site goes live. You call it laziness? I call it next level brilliance. Step 6. Save this video, because when you're stuck, and you will be, come back here, and I'll be right here yelling at you to keep going.